Namaste. In this session, we'll be practicing vinyasa flow, and we're going to keep it simple with our flow. With that said, I will only be cueing to the breath and the posture. So if you are looking for more alignment cues and posture alignment cues, then either slow down the video and you can pay attention by watching, or you can check out some of my other sessions where I do break down the postures more so. Furthermore, I'll be speaking and using Sanskrit for the postures in this session. So if you're new to Sanskrit or you're not very familiar with it, this may be a good opportunity to connect the postures with the Sanskrit names. Um, Otherwise, if you're really like, oh no, I am not there or open or up for that yet, I have another version of this session where I overview with the English versions of the names, and you can check that out right here, somewhere there. Sanskrit is one of the ancient languages from India in which yoga was first presented. And so I like to include it in my sessions in order to pay reverence to the lineage and the practice. Also, if you break down the names, you can learn a lot about the postures and what the intention and what you can potentially receive energetically or physically from the postures because they're descriptive of the postures. Anyways, let's begin. Samastitihi. Inhale for Om. Surya Namaskar A. Inhale, Tadasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 1, 2, 3. Step or jump to Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Tadasana. Exhale, Samastitihi. Inhale, Tadasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 1, 2, 3. Step or jump to Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Tadasana. Samastitihi, exhale. Second one, Sun B. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Ardha Uttanasana, inhale. Exhale, vinyasa. Adho Mukha Svanasana, exhale. Virabhadrasana 1. Step your right leg forward. Inhale, lift up, arms up. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Step your left leg forward. Inhale, Virabhadrasana 1. Inhale. Exhale, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, inhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana, exhale. 1, 2, 3, step or jump Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Tadasana. Samastitihi, exhale. Parangushtasana, step or hop your feet, hip width distance. Peace fingers around your big toes. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, Parangushtasana. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, Parahastasana. Slide your hands underneath. Inhale. Exhale, Parahastasana, fold. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, release. Inhale, Samastitihi, step or hop your feet. Exhale. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Ardha Uttanasana, inhale. Exhale, Vinyasa. Virabhadrasana 2, right leg. Step your left leg forward. Inhale. Exhale, Uttita Parshvokonasana. Inhale, Parivrita Virabhadrasana. Exhale, Vinyasa. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, inhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana, exhale. Step your left leg forward. Inhale, Virabhadrasana 2. And exhale, Uttita Parshvokonasana. Inhale, Parivrita Virabhadrasana. Exhale, Vinyasa. Adho Mukha Svanasana, exhale. Inhale, step your right leg forward. Inhale to Anjaneyasana. Exhale, hands to your heart center, Anjali Mudra. Inhale, chest forward. Exhale, Parivrita Anjaneyasana. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, Dekasana. Inhale, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, Vinyasa. Step your left leg forward. Inhale, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, hands to your heart center, Anjali Mudra. Lean your chest forward. Inhale. Exhale, Parivrita Anjaneyasana. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, Dekasana. Inhale, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, Vinyasa. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, inhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana, exhale. Inch forward to a high plank and lower down to your belly. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, tap your nose down to your mat. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, tap your nose down. Shalabhasana, draw your hands back behind. Inhale, lift. Here for 1, 2, and 3. Hands down, Balasana, send your hips back and rest. Shirshasana. Prepare. Either stay here or inhale, lift up. 1, do what you can. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Return down slowly. Balasana. Relax the shoulders, the neck. And then downward facing dog, option for vinyasa. Adho Mukha Svanasana, exhale. Look forward, step or jump through to a seat. Janu Shirshasana. Right leg extends out. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, fold. Janu Shirshasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, release, and switch. Extend your left leg out. Turn towards your leg as you inhale, lengthen. Exhale, Janu Shirshasana. 1, fully exhales. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, release. Upavishta Konasana, both legs out. Reach for the sides of your feet. Inhale. Exhale, Upavishta Konasana. 1, 2, keep the legs active. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, release. Plant your feet hip width distance, feet foot behind. Inhale, lift the hips. Exhale, release back down. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Bend your right knee underneath, your left knee under. Cross your right ankle outside of your foot and twist towards your right side. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to twist. Here for 1, 2, 3, and 5. Switch sides. Twist towards your left side. Be with the breath for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Find Padmasana, half or full, or you can take Siddhasana or Sukhasana. Jnana Mudra, onto the thighs. Gaze to the tip of your nose, Nasagara Drishti. Breathe with sound. Option to stay here for your final meditation. Option for Shavasana, lay down onto your backs. Whether you're sitting or laying down, get comfortable and rest. I'll leave you here in Shavasana. Please stay for at least a few minutes to rest and integrate practice. As always, thank you. Namaste.